Hey guys, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful to be here with you really quickly for part 2 of the Prosperous Pockets game. So guys, we were doing this in a group and we had so much fun and people were getting such great results. So it might be a stretch for some people to actually have fun, but you have a little bit of a fun personality and there's some place you just might have to dust it off. So anyway, part 2 is I'm here to shift the frequency of the planet with love and gratitude. So for the morning and evening activity, now for the duration, is to give thanks like it's already done. Okay, all of creation is finished. So if you give thanks like it's already done, your life's going to feel amazing. So in your mind or heart, or if you like to write, you can write on an index card, a post-it note, whatever is handy. Don't make this a job, guys. Okay, this is fun. This is coming from your heart. You can write on a post-it note or an index card, maybe 5 or 10 things that you're grateful for, or you can just write, I am so grateful I am. That's good enough. You don't have to be grateful for anything in particular because gratitude is a state of being. And I love what Dr. Joe Dispenza says. He says that gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership. See, we don't learn anything about receiving, and receiving is so vitally important. And so another guy, he does a presentation, a wonderful presentation, and he shows the importance of receiving as well. So if you can do this, make it a habit. My acrostic for habit is habitual action begins in thought. And so if you can make gratitude a habit, come from your heart, you can literally change your life. So before you go out, I want to encourage you to send love and gratitude and your angels before you to clear the way, and just watch what happens in your life. So if you lead with love, you can't fail. You cannot fail if you lead with love and gratitude. It's literally life-changing. So have some fun with this. Let's connect at marlenag.com. That's MARLENAG as in girl.com. Have yourself a fantastic day, guys. Abundance is our birthright. Train your brain. You got to train your brain to think abundance regardless of what you see. Give thanks like it is now. Change your life. Have a fantastic day. God's best.